Dive deep into Throw Oneself into Mastering English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used phrase, throw oneself into. This phrase captures a vibrant aspect of the English language, reflecting both emotion and action. Stick around as we break it down, explore its meanings, and see it in action through examples. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of this fascinating phrase. Throw oneself into is a phrase that vividly describes fully committing or dedicating oneself to an activity, cause, or pursuit. It's about immersing oneself with all their energy and enthusiasm. When someone uses this phrase, they're often highlighting a deep level of engagement and passion. For example, saying, "She threw herself into her studies," means she dedicated herself completely to her studies, putting in a lot of effort and focus. To truly grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples in different contexts. Personal development. After his trip to Spain, he threw himself into learning Spanish. This shows someone dedicating themselves to learning a new language with great enthusiasm. Work and career. He threw himself into the new project, working late nights and weekends. This illustrates someone fully committing to their work or a project beyond the usual expectations. Hobbies and interests. She threw herself into painting during the lockdown, and her skills improved significantly. Here, the phrase shows someone using their time and energy to passionately engage in a hobby. Emotional and relationship contexts. After the breakup, he threw himself into volunteer work to keep his mind off things. This example demonstrates using an activity as a form of emotional healing or distraction. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can help learners find different ways to express the same idea. Here are a few: immerse oneself in, dedicate oneself to, engage deeply in, devote oneself to. Each of these phrases can be used interchangeably with throw oneself into, depending on the context and the nuance you want to convey. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, throw oneself into. We hope this exploration has helped you understand not just the meaning but the emotion and commitment it conveys. English is a rich language, full of expressions that can help you express a wide range of experiences and emotions. Remember, the key to mastering English is to keep engaging with it passionately, just like throwing yourself into your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.